Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and in today's video I'm going to show you how I get my nails from this to this at home and make my not so good looking hands and finger nails look a little better. And so yeah, if you're interested in knowing how I get this done at home, then please keep on watching. You'll need some fake nails, a nail glue, a nail buffer or file, and a nail cutter you're comfortable with, and some nail polish of your choice. So first I start off by cutting my natural nails. I keep them to this length so that the glue has a little more surface area to be applied on, and then I file these sharp edges of the nails that have been just cut. Then I take some fake nails of my choice. I have these ones, but for today I'm going to use these transparent square shaped nails, and you can easily get these on Amazon or any other website, and I'll put the links of these exact nails on my description box below, so do check it out. These nails come in different sizes, so first what I do is I measure all the nails and keep the nails that I feel are okay with the size of the natural nails aside, and the nails the fake nails should not be too big or too small than your natural nails. If it is a little small, then you can get away with it, but if the fake nails are bigger than your natural nails, then that's a no-no. After that's done, then I take the rough side of a nail buffer and then I use it to buff my nails and make them a little rough so that the glue and the fake nails stick well together. You can even use a nail file for this step if you don't have a nail buffer, but you have to use the nail file with a little light hand. Then I take some cotton and wipe off the dust from the nails. I'm not really comfortable with super long nails, so what I do is I measure the nails that I have selected and I cut them to the size that I am comfortable with. Then I file or buff out the sharp edges of the nails that have been cut. To stick my nails, I use this glue by Miss Claire and I apply it exactly like the way I apply a nail polish. And I do one finger at a time. And after I finish applying the glue, I take the fake nail and then press it on the natural nail. I hold it for some time and I also make sure to press the nail from the sides as well, because that's the place from where the nail starts to come off. And then I repeat the same thing with the other nails too. After that's done, then it's time for the last step, and that's to apply the nail polish of your choice, and this one is from Color Bar and it's a nude shade, and I really love this color. I applied 2 coats of this nail polish. And this is how my nails look after it's done. The staying power of these nails is about 2 to 3 days, but it really depends on the type and the amount of work that you do with your hands. If you're someone who has a lot of work, then it might stick on for about 2 to 3 days, but if you're someone who does not have much work to do using your hands, then these nails might last up to a week or so. I usually apply these nails a night before some event or some function that I want to attend, and when my nails are really short and uneven. So yeah, that's all for today's video. So if you enjoyed watching this video and if you found this video helpful, then please do like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you so much for watching.